If these walls could talk, you would hear the sounds of some of the greatest artists that have ever lived and sang. The sounds of Aretha Franklin. You would hear the sounds of Stevie Wonder. You would hear the sounds of Whitney Houston. You would hear the sounds of my brother Maxwell and many other artists that I've been privileged to work with. Also, you would hear the sounds of my beautiful children just coming in, and just those talks and board games and just kind of hanging out. You would also hear the sounds of friends that I've invited over. Family, I've had a chance to entertain 50 people that came to the house between food and drinks and just good conversation. The walls would be able to speak to all those things. I would say my favorite room in the house is the living room, and the living room is where my piano that I call her Black Beauty is, and it has helped me to sit down and to write and arrange for many different artists. But also I would say my bedroom. I have another piano up there, but mainly my bed is where I get plenty of rest and sleep. So between just the comfort of being in my living room and getting good sleep in my bedroom will be my two favorite rooms in the house.